everyone, TECHRICH here, and I'm here to tell you how to speed up a video shot on your iPhone in... So, let's get started. To start off, here's our example clip. As you can see, it is pretty darn slow. So let's speed it up. To get this done, click on the photo app, and then click on the video file that you want to speed up. Click on edit, and then bring it all the way down to the very end. Then hit done. Your video file should now be all sped up. Queen's Gambit. You can also get the same result by simply plugging your iPhone into your computer and dragging it onto your desktop. Queen's Gambit. Anyways, this has been another video in the series called Tech Tips in Under a Minute. If this solution worked for you, make sure to leave a like and possibly subscribe. Additionally, if you have any tech issues of your own that need solving, please leave them in the comments below and I'll see if I can do a video on them. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.